Hello friends, welcome to a video on how to create a histogram in Excel. Before starting the video, I will give you some brief introduction of histogram. It is a type of bar chart representing data in intervals and it is invented by Carl Pearson in 1991. Here one example you can see. There are salary in x-axis and number of employees in y-axis. Salary ranges from 10,000 to 20,000. There are 300 employees are there. By help of histogram, you will have a range of values you want to see. You can see in how many ranges, how many values are coming. This helps you to understand. Okay. By end of this video, you will going to construct this kind of chart in Excel. Okay. So let us start the video. Okay. Now we are having a data of 523 in numbers. Okay. To construct the histogram, we need to have a first maximum value. Press equal to, type max on keyboard, select this data. In this numbers, which is the maximum we need to calculate. Press enter. 3.61 is the maximum value, and now we need to calculate the minimum value. Press minimum, then select this number from here to last, say enter. Now we need to calculate the range. To calculate the range, it is a difference between maximum value and minimum value. This is the range. Now calculate the number of intervals. To calculate the number of intervals, press square root, double click. There are 5, 2, 3 numbers are there. This is our interval of 23. I hope you are understanding this easily. If you have any questions, write to us in comment box. Now calculate the interval width. Press equal to, divide range by number of intervals. Press enter. This is the interval width. Okay. Now this is the main part, the summary part, which will help us to construct the histogram. Okay. Now the first interval is, it is the minimum value. Press equal to, say take minimum value. Now add the interval width to minimum value. Here equal to, select this interval, add this minimum value, press enter. Now we have to log this interval value because it is constant for all other values. Now drag it to down till it reaches to maximum value of 3.61. Now frequency part. Frequency is gives us information about how many numbers in this table of having 3.07 value. Okay. Now how to calculate it? Go to formula, more function, statistical, then search frequency. Here it will ask data array. Select this data. From this data we are calculating how many numbers of value 3.07. Okay. Now bin array. Select the bin array from this bin because this is the range. Here we are going to calculate how many values are there. Okay. In this table 523 number, there is only one value of having 3.07. Okay. Now this frequency formula need to have to all the cells. Okay. Then select the cell, click here, press Ctrl Shift enter. This formula come to all the cells. Okay, now this will help us to construct the histogram. Let us construct the histogram now. First go here, select this table, go insert, select this graph, click here. Now drag it to your convenient level. Now go for change chart type, select this chart, say OK. Now as per your convenient, add chart element. You need to have axis, both axes are on. Axis title, you need to have horizontal title and you need to have vertical title. Okay, now chart title is all above the chart, already is there. Frequency, data label, outside this is the data label. Now data table, okay, select this legend keys. Now I will eliminate grid lines. Okay, now you can start editing here. Like you can type histogram for any data which you select. Okay, axis title is a number, numbers, and this is the frequencies, and this axis title is the frequency. I will delete this one because it is with this. Okay, now your histogram is constructed. Please support, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.